Hello, I'm Yvonne. I'm one of the reflexology tutors at the Cotswold Academy. The reflexology diploma that we do here is iTEC qualified, so it's like internationally recognised, one of the best qualifications that you can do, which is why we do it at the Cotswold Academy. Our attention to detail is immense, so not only will you be able to have a career as a reflexologist, but we also prepare you to give thorough consultations, which is really important, you know, going ahead and making your treatments unique for your clients. And then the practical elements, we work on each other, which is really important, so you really understand how reflexology feels when you're then applying it to your clients. When you sign on to your course, you'll have instant access to your online dashboard, a whole world of information about reflexology. All the anatomy and physiology is there because you really need to have a good understanding of what's going on in the body as well to support your learning in the classroom. We also have Zoom support calls every other week. These are a great opportunity to meet your tutors and also see the other students that you're going to be working with. And again, it's a great opportunity to ask us any questions. If you've got any questions about your coursework or your case studies, filling in consultation forms. You then come into the classroom, you've got 6 full days taking you through all the applications of reflexology, from learning the zones of the feet to the structure of the feet, how to do our particular thumb walking technique, which is really specialised to reflexology. We also map all the different reflexology points onto the feet. So by the time you finish your course, you'll be an experienced reflexologist. And going forward, you've already studied, you've already got a qualification. We don't like to just leave you there. We're also here to give you ongoing support as you continue into your career as a reflexologist. If this is the course for you, then I very much look forward to seeing you in the future.